welcome back. You're going to watch how to apply your falsies within some seconds. So before we dash into that, I want to share with you guys this tripod from Norway. So they sent this tripod to me. I've been wanting to get this because the one I'm using is the one that came with my ring light. Sometimes it will bend like this, sometimes it will bend like this, sometimes you have to straighten it all the time, straighten its head. Sometimes you will see my videos, they are kind of upwards, sometimes you see them. It's so frustrating. I said it in one of my videos that I needed a camera and a tripod. Luckily for me, they sent me this one. I'm going to read about it for you guys. This is how it looks like, okay? This one thing I like, when you're traveling, you can take it along with you, and it's from 55 centimeter to 177 centimeter.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no, 'cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, no, no.
I'm going to leave the link to this tripod on the description box, so if you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out. I like it so much. It's very professional and it's so solid. One thing I like, you can take it with you whenever you're traveling, because you can fold it into a smaller size. When you're traveling, you can take it along with you. So guys, that is it. Without wasting time, let's move ahead to falsies tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too in that room?
First thing, you remove the lashes from the case and you're going to cut that longer part from it. You don't need that. Then after that, you're going to measure it with your eyelash to see if it is too long. If it is too long, you need to cut it. It's not too long, so I left it that way. So first thing, I applied my eyeliner. I applied this first so that when I want to apply the lash glue, I will follow the same line as the eyeliner. You can use any lash glue that you have, either black, white or transparent one. I got this one from AliExpress. I just have to follow the same line with the eyeliner, but you can do the other way around. You can as well use the lash glue in place of your eyeliner.
Being in between, I wanna make a scene, still hoping for you and me, wondering what could.
So after that, I apply my mascara.
From my fever dream,
that is the lashes. I use my hand to place it.
What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me. If I'm
You can see that the lash glue is not that dry, but I like it this way because in this way it's easy for me to manipulate my lashes and position it the way I want. Unlike when I apply my lash glue on the lashes, I struggle a lot. But with this method, it's very easy.
lately things have happened that I can't explain. Your mind's always still.
When I lift my eyes up, you can see there's little gap which we don't need. I waited for the lash glue to dry up before doing this part. So after that, I applied eyeliner on my lash line. You can skip this part if you want. I use mascara to blend my real lashes and the falsies together, and that is all.
If I'm not supposed to think about you like this.
So gorgeous, that is it for this eyelash tutorial. I hope you find this helpful. If you do, please support your girl by clicking on that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please go just hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon so that you don't miss videos like this from me. I will see you in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous.